is it was interesting when I was going through the interview process. Power BI is a tool I use every day, and they asked if I had experience with Power BI, and I said, boy, do I. And I explained to them the dashboard that you built for us and how we use that to make, informed decisions. And being data driven in the education world is important, and you hear it talked about a lot. We're data driven, we're data focused, whether it's coaching or in the classroom. But a lot of times they don't know really what data to look at. As a coach, I was able to get, like we talked about, get granular with data, find those key data points, and then take actions based on the data to drive an outcome that's desired. That's what I do now. Is I'm looking at a Power BI dashboard that maybe has 30,000 data points, and I can see an overall trend, and then I see something and it doesn't look good. So I dig into it a little deeper. And as I get more granular, now we can pinpoint why that's not good. It's not good because of this. Here's this small piece buried, and you have to be able to dig through it, find that little piece, and say, this is it. This is the reason.